I am so glad you're back because today we're gonna do back and shoulder. It's gonna be amazing, amazing warm up. So we're gonna start with imaginary jump rope, nice and light on your feet. Again, I love imaginary jump ropes because you cannot mess it up. Just so you're perfect, just the way you are. So you can do ollie shuffle, or you can just bounce on both feet. I suggest that you challenge yourself and switch it up. How you guys doing? Awesome. I cannot tell you how important it is that you get it going, get warmed up. Just like anything else that you do in life. You can't just jump in and do it, big things. You have to warm up. Baby steps. So switch it up to bouncing both feet. So I'm gonna switch up. Woo. Just make sure you don't mess it up. Here we go. All right, ollie shuffle. Move those hands and wrists. Engage your entire body. All right, keep breathing. 10 more seconds. So we're gonna switch it up. And next is gonna be high knee running and butt kicks. Ready? And here we go. High knee running. And let's go. Move your arms, knees nice and high. And if you can't drive your knees high, do your best. You can just do regular running. And when I say switch, you switch to butt kicks. And switch. Butt kicks. So your your heel should be driving to your back, in your glutes. Beautiful. Breathe. Switch. High knees. Beautiful. Keep on going. Excellent. 30 more seconds. Switch. Do butt kicks. Good energy, guys. If you had a hard time getting yourself to work out, trust me, we all struggle sometimes. So I admire you that you push yourself through and you got here. That's what it matters. 10 more seconds, guys. High knees. Here we go. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2. And what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna go that way. 2 side squats with open arms, nice and wide. Arms up here to the chest. At home, guys, right here. Ready? Here we go. Open up and together. Open up and together. Beautiful. Open up the chest. Very good. And very good. Do your best. Again, it's almost like you can hug somebody, open heart, ready to create amazing results for your body, for your family, your community. Create whatever you want in this workout. So the sky is the limit. Beautiful. Keep on going. Nice and deep squats, guys. Weight in your heels. We have 20 more seconds. How are we doing? Beautiful. Nice and deep. Look at Catherine. David, fantastic. So we have 10 more seconds. Keep on going. Excellent. So 5 more. And 1. And last one. Beautiful. Moving to the next one. We can do lunges with arm roll. So we're going to forward lunges with the arm roll. Here we go. Ready, set, let's go. Nice and slow. It's not about rushing. Make sure your knee is not going further than your toes. It's very simple. So 10 more seconds and we can do reverse. Keep on going. Beautiful. Breathing. 3 more. So last one. And reverse. Ready? Here we go. Reverse. Excellent, you guys. Big rolls because you really want to bring the blood into your shoulders, warm it up, open your chest, warm up those legs. Ashley, how you doing? Can you do me high five while we work out? Oh, yep, she did it. All right, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 2, and last one. And here we go. For next one is going to be dumbbell halo. So grab your dumbbell. Make sure you hold your dumbbell nice and firm. You do not want to let it go in this one. So we're going to go halo around your head. So first we're going to do one direction, and after 30 seconds we're going to shift the other direction. You ready? Here we go. And nice and slow. Warm up your shoulders. Very careful when you go. If you don't feel comfortable, you can do empty-handed. So you don't have to do with a dumbbell. Beautiful. Your knees are slightly bent. Excellent. Keep on going. Remember, in 30 seconds, we're going to switch the opposite direction. Very good. So 3, 2, 1, and switch. So go the opposite direction. Beautiful. Very gentle. And again, if you don't feel comfortable doing the dumbbell, you can always drop the dumbbell. Beautiful. David, you feel like shoulders warming up? Excellent. So 10 more seconds. Beautiful. 4, 3, 2, and done. So that's for the warm-up, guys.